Unlocking the magic of language, Evening Extravaganza, explained. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that paints a picture of celebration and delight, Evening Extravaganza. We'll explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. Get ready to add some sparkle to your English language skills. Evening extravaganza is a phrase that combines two words, each rich in meaning. Evening refers to the period of the day from sunset to night, a time often associated with relaxation and social activities. Extravaganza, on the other hand, denotes an event characterized by lavishness, spectacle, or extravagant entertainment. Put together, evening extravaganza describes a large, elaborate, and often luxurious event taking place in the evening. It suggests an atmosphere of festivity and grandeur, where attendees can expect something out of the ordinary. The word extravaganza originates from Italian, deriving from stravaganza, which means extravagance. Over time, it has come to describe theatrical, musical, or literary works that are over the top in terms of imagination, spectacle, and presentation. In English, extravaganza is used to highlight the exceptional scale or opulence of an event or performance, making it a perfect pairing with evening to denote a special nighttime event. 1. Describing events, you might say, the charity gala was an evening extravaganza, complete with a live orchestra and fireworks. 2. Invitations. In an invitation, you could write, join us for an evening extravaganza celebrating the 20th anniversary of our company. 3. In reviews, a review might read, the film premiere felt like an evening extravaganza, transporting attendees to a world of glamour. Using evening extravaganza in your sentences immediately conveys a sense of sophistication and excitement about the event you're describing. And that's a wrap on Evening Extravaganza. We hope this exploration has not only enlightened you but also inspired you to embrace the beauty and richness of the English language. Whether you're talking about a lavish party, a grand opening, or a spectacular show, Evening Extravaganza is your go-to phrase for anything that promises an unforgettable night. Thank you for joining us, and keep the love for learning burning bright.